that went out, like, at this perfect time. Okay, don't take off just yet. Alright, we're back in business. Okay, so right now the winds are coming a little bit from our left, so wind correction, left aileron. Alright, and then you're holding your brakes. Alright, you're good to go. Let's go full power. Okay. And good. That's good. Alright, release your brakes. Now the wind switched all the way around.
Okay.
Alright, but still from your left. So left aileron. Alright, a little bit of back pressure, rotate. There we go, pitch for 65. That now
traffic, 3 Bravo Alpha, 5 Bravo Alpha, park to the west, off the crosswalk.
Alright, we're over the trees.
Okay. So
let's leave it there for a moment, just climb a little bit more.
Okay.
Okay, cool. I'm comfortable. If you are, get the flaps.
Alright, go ahead and go down to 1.
Okay. You want to start pitching for 75? Yeah, let's get some airspeed. Go ahead and clean up your flaps.
Okay.
Alright, and let's fly the downwind. So stay in the pattern, you can keep climbing. And then, well, let's depart all the downwind here.
Okay. So we're going to take a left, go downwind.
Yeah, so we're going to go on the left crosswind first. So go ahead and turn left. Call out your left crosswind 4.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, left crosswind, runway 4, Goose Creek.
Okay, and give it a little bit of trim because it looks like you're really struggling to force the nose, the yoke forward right now. Give it a little bit of trim, just release that pressure. Get a little bit more light on the controls. Yeah, loosen that grip, loosen that grip. Relax.
We're going to go another left, go ahead, downwind.
Yep.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, turning left down, we're in runway 4, Goose Creek.
And you can keep climbing to 3,000.
Alright, so heading should be about 4, right?
Yeah. Not 4, not 4. It should be 2-2, right?
I'm sorry, 2-2, my bad.
That says 2-2, so let's make a right turn here. We're going to cross over the field. No, don't cross the field.
Don't cross the field?
Don't cross the field. Just stay on the 2-2 heading.
Okay.
Yeah, we want to stay on the downwind, right?
Yeah.
We don't need to cross.
I didn't realize I was going all the way around.
All good. Cabin heat. Warm up our feet.
Say again?
No, I just turned on the cabin heat.
Okay, good, good. Alright, we are 2,500.
Okay, and go all the way to 3,000. We're going to pass Monroe on our left. So keep Monroe well to our left. Don't get close. I'll keep flying this heading. And let's let Goose know we're departing. We're heading out to the southwest.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, departing to the southwest. Goose Creek.
Okay, level off at 3,000. $28.25. Alright, there's Monroe. We'll stay on that 220 heading.
Yep.
And how's it trim?
I think I just trimmed it. I think we're good here.
Okay, cool.
So,
So loosen that grip. Don't
Yeah.
grip it.
yeah.
Alright, be light on the controls. And let's give it a little bit more power. How's Monroe doing? Like there's no one flying.
Yeah, there was one or two this morning.
Density altitude minus 300. Charlotte Monroe Executive Airport. Automated weather observation 1720 Zulu. Wind 320 at 05. Visibility 10. Sky condition.
Okay, why don't we just dive
Temperature
into Monroe?
03 Celsius.
Yeah, they
Dew
slowed
Dew
down a
point
little bit.
minus.
They were at 11 to 22.
So give me a left turn, start descending,
Okay.
and we'll do a little loop, get us on the downwind of runway 5.
Okay.
So let's pull that power to idle, give me a left turn, and let's just circle around.
Citation 0 Sierra clear.
We're going all the way around, or we're going to go
5,
So just circle around here, stay on this side of the runway.
Welcome to Monroe Citation. How long are you going to be with me?
About an hour and 40 minutes or so.
I thought they were going to be busy today.
Woo.
Now power to idle.
Oh, all the way to idle.
Yeah. You want to descend here.
Okay.
So Monroe's field elevation 700, pattern 1700.
Okay.
Alright, then doing another loop. Keep turning left.
Keep going.
Yeah, keep turning left, and then when you turn around, you should be on track to join the left downwind.
Okay.
Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, 2 miles north of the field, inbound on a 45, left downwind 5, Monroe. $1,700 is where we're going to level off at. Look over to your left, you have the field in sight.
Have the field in sight.
Okay. Now get the weather one more time.
Wind variable at 05.
We're at 7.
Visibility 10. Sky condition clear.
Give me some power.
Temperature 03 Celsius. Dew point minus 1
towards the
Celsius. Altimeter
Closer to the
2976.
field.
So we're going to do a 45 into the downwind. All right.
A 45 on the left downwind, yep.
Yeah.
More power, don't descend. And you're going really fast here, so pitch up. Let's trade that airspeed for altitude. And then get yourself a little bit closer to the runway. Yeah, let's get back to 1,700 feet, so give it a little bit more back pressure. Yeah, let's bleed that airspeed off. Get back to 1,700, there you go. Now start making a right turn. Get yourself on the downwind. Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, left downwind 5, Monroe.
Monroe, Unicom 46 Lima, ready to check.
Radio check loud and clear.
Thank you, though.
Okay, you have the runway in sight.
Ways in sight.
Okay.
Test traffic, orders Alpha 36, Foxtrot 6 down, final
And
on
once
that
you're being
35.
1,000 footers, you're going to start pulling that power back. And don't descend yet, don't descend yet. There you go, you already lost 200 feet here,
Yeah.
right? So we don't need to do that. Let's take away some power now. We're going to start our descent. Go ahead and get your first
Monroe
flaps.
traffic, it's 46
For
Lima,
about
traffic
75
to
miles.
runway 5, available.
Getting getting a little close to the runway, so a little bit more nose outwards a little bit. Yeah.
Base at the field or the neighborhood here?
Right here. Let's go.
Right here? Okay.
Turn base. And we got really close to the field, so you might have to keep turning to get yourself on final. Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, left base 5 Monroe.
I'll be rounding this base to final out.
Yep. Turning. Get your second notch of flaps.
Cherokee traffic, Warrior 26 Foxtrot.
Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, final 5 Monroe. Alright, you can go full flaps. Yep, and slowly correct to the center line. Okay. Got a bit of right rudder here. Good. Keep it coming down. Okay. Start slowly take out some power, start pulling back, look at the end of the runway. You're in ground effect, hold it here, and gradually increase that back pressure. Right rudder, please. Right rudder. There we go. Came in a little fast here.
Yeah.
That's correct for the center line. Let's go flaps to 0. Right, trim to neutral.
Alright.
Alright, let's go full power. Full power. Yep, keep that nose down, 75 knots. It's a normal takeoff here.
Woo! We're getting some gusts.
Ooh, it's getting bumpy.
Yeah. Tell you what, I'm going to show you, I want you to show me. I need to watch you,
Yeah, sure.
especially in this. We got a little gusty here.
Yeah, if it picks up, we'd rather just go back.
Alright, your control.
Alright, I have intros.
Your control.
Alright. Do you want to see a demo?
Yeah, I want to see you.
Sounds good. Fuel pumps on, landing lights on, make sure it's full rich, brakes are good.
Okay.
Cherokee traffic, Warrior 546 Foxtrot, 2 mile, final, RNAV, 35, touch.
Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, left crosswind, 5 Monroe. I cut the corner a little bit, so leveling the wings here. Taking out some power, pushing the nose down to stay at 1700.
46 Lima, switching to runway 5
A little bit more power now. Got a little left rudder.
That was your takeoff.
Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, left downwind, 5 Monroe. And I'm a little bit low, so I'm adding some power. What'd you say that was?
When you took over,
Yep.
you immediately did these in sequence.
Yeah.
But that was the.
The landing checklist, yeah.
Okay. Well, that was takeoff. We just took off, right?
No, that's the landing checklist.
Oh.
Yeah, because I didn't want to do it on the downwind, so I just did it before I took over controls. So
Okay.
there's less workload on myself, right?
Yeah.
So trying to stay ahead of the plane there.
And you didn't cover seatbelts because that was pretty much already done. Windows were closed. You didn't cover that, so that was already done. Proper tank. I think you made the assumption because we're within 30 minutes.
Yeah, we're within 30.
Okay.
We have fuel.
Landing
We're looking
light.
at the gauges here.
Fuel pump, landing light, carb heat as required.
Yep.
Mixture, you were full rich. Okay. And then you check the brakes. You just.
Yep, I tested so I only have access to these, so
Yeah.
I checked those. Yep.
Okay.
Cherokee traffic, 546 Foxtrot is on the go, 3 miles, starting to the north, stop call.
So this is Admittedly, I didn't go over these.
So we're being the 1,000 footers. I have a crab into the wind right now.
Yeah.
That's why I'm pointing it a little bit outwards. Right, power to about 1,500 RPMs. I'm getting my first notch of flaps. I'm going to pitch for about 75 knots here, 75 knots. And that should give me about 500 feet per minute descent.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go, worked pretty good. A little bit fast. I'm using a little bit of trim to release the pressure, and I could probably go hands-free. Yeah, if it wasn't for the wind, I could have probably been hands-free. I'll start turning base. Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, left base, 5 Monroe. And now I'm going to start slowing down to about 70 knots. I'm going to go second notch of flaps.
70 knots.
I have a little too much power here, so a little less power. Okay, about 70 knots, a little less power. And I'm a touch high, so I'm taking away some more extra power. I'm going to go power idle now. Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, final 5 Monroe. Oops, I don't want to overbank here. Let's correct that. Go full flaps. I'm going to keep my nose
Yeah, you got the crab going.
a little bit crabbed. And I don't want to crab, so I'm going to go into a side slip. So aileron into the wind and right rudder. And holding it off in ground effect. And that doesn't look good, so I'm going to go full power. We'll do a go around. Flaps of 2. Damn, I need a lot of rudder here.
Yeah.
That's a pretty strong crosswind.
It is. I think,
I still have control. Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, going around 5 Monroe. Yeah, that didn't feel good.
yeah.
Yeah, I'd say let's head back.
Okay.
You
No,
go with
you
that?
know, I'm thinking, look, we have the airplane, right?
Yeah, we have the
Can we
plane.
sit on the ramp and play a little bit with some procedures and then go in and...
Do you want to do that?
Yeah, sure. We can do that.
Yeah, if you wanted to give it another go, I would have. It's fine, but that was a pretty strong.
Yeah, it's gusting and then dropping and gusting and dropping and...
Yeah, I didn't feel comfortable with that.
I'm with you. I mean, that's...
I'm sorry.
good
I wanted to
judgment.
show you
No,
a
that's good judgment,
cool
man.
side slip coming in, but I had to do a go around on that
If
one.
anything, that was actually an excellent example of judgment. So, I'm learning, man. I'm telling you, everything you do.
Yeah, I ran out of rudder to correct for it at the end.
Yeah.
I was like full right rudder, aileron into the wind. So that's what we do for a side slip.
Yeah.
We're going to go opposite rudder, aileron into the wind, but this time we're changing the amount of rudder to correct for the nose, and our aileron's going to be the same to correct for the wind.
Yeah,
so this is
I
not the
wanna-
variable, the rudder's the variable. A forward slip, on the other hand, we're going to point the nose down, and our aileron's the variable, our rudder's going to go full.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna need. That's definitely something we're gonna need to go over too, because I was reading the book last night, forward slip and side slip,
yeah.
and they do not explain it properly. It's just they got it all muddled up, throwing words around.
It's a tricky one, yeah.
So,
Monroe traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, departing the area to the north. Monroe. Yeah, I'll be happy to. It's a pretty, like, once I show you, it'll be easy. Like, I'll show you with the little plane model.
okay.
Because once you get the idea of that, you'll be like, oh,
Yeah,
okay.
and I started picking that up a little bit. I think for the most part, though, like for example, for the exam or for the check ride,
Yeah.
pretty much just gonna be
Celsius.
doing like a
Dew point
forward
minus
slip, is that right?
1 3
Yeah, that's the one that
Celsius.
he's going to want to see.
Altimeter
So you wanna see a forward slip.
You want to
296.
see a forward slip.
Remarks. Density
steering in that
altitude
forward
minus
slip was what I was
200.
trying to look up.
Is your
Whether we're
aileron.
getting left or right.
Charlotte Monroe
Your aileron,
Executive
the amount of
Airport.
aileron's going to
Automated
change where
weather
the nose is
observation.
Still full, for example, if I'm
1733
pointing
Zulu.
left, still full right rudder, just
280
adjusting
at
the aileron.
12. Peak gusts 2-1.
Alright, so let's
Visibility
listen to the weather real
10.
quick.
Sky condition clear. Temperature 0.4 Celsius.
Hey, we're getting
Dew
thrown around
point
today, man.
minus 1.3 Celsius. Altimeter
All right, Doug, I'm still getting something out of it. This
2976.
is the important thing.
Remarks. Density altitude minus 200. Charlotte Monroe Executive Airport. Automated weather observation 1734 Zulu. Wind 280 at 12. Peak gusts 21. Visibility 10.
Close.
Sky conditions clear.
Okay, so the wind switched over, so I'm gonna land 22.
Okay. Do we want to change fuel or not?
We'll stay here. It's
Okay.
fine. We just filled it up.
Yeah.
We'd rather just stay there.
Okay.
All right, 1600. All right, so let's let Goose know we're 3 miles from the south, inbound 22.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, 3 miles to the south, inbound, runway 22, Goose Creek.
Whew.
30 on. Yeah, it's playing today, huh?
Yeah.
He
The
doesn't
winds weren't reporting as high as last time.
Yeah.
So it should be a lot easier to land it, but yeah, it's
And the winds are, winds
a,
reported is just a snapshot.
yeah, so this
anyway,
time,
so.
instead of how strong it is, it's where it's coming from.
Right.
And because it's switching at one of those variable,
Right.
that's it's been tricky today. The last time wasn't that bad. We
Bridge
landed
check.
pretty nicely.
Yeah. It says required. Landing checklist complete.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. When we get to that point, my check ride's going to be in a calm day. 2 to 3 maybe, you know.
What is going to be?
My check ride.
Your check ride?
Yeah, and my solo for that matter. I'm already looking ahead to the check ride, but yeah, my solo, it's going to be, that's going to be on a calm day.
Yeah. We
'Cause,
should try to pick a calm day if we can.
Yeah, it's you can't focus on technique on
Okay.
fighting winds.
So, you're going to do the radio calls for me?
Okay.
This is left downwind, so you're going to call out, let them know left downwind 22.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, entering left downwind, runway 22, Goose Creek.
Okay, there's Goose. Okay, so we're going to start our descent right around where the numbers are.
Okay.
Right around, a little bit more, right around here. I'm going to pull some power back. I'm going to extend my downwind just a little bit to give me some more space on final. I'm going to go first notch of flaps. Start pitching for about 75 knots here. And since we have a gust here, I'm going to come in about 5 knots faster than usual. Add half of the gust factor to my approach speed. I'm going to come in on base. Yep, so we're on left base, 22.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, left base, runway 22, Goose Creek.
All right, I'm going to go second notch of flaps. And my last flap, I'm going to wait till the very end. And if I need it, I'll use it. And now I'm about 75. On final, I'll come in about 70 and then slow down when I know I can make the field.
Using speed control. That's
Okay, a little less power. Start turning final, that's final 22.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 7 Mike Bravo, turning final, runway 22, Goose Creek.
Full flaps. Slow down a little bit. That's a little too slow, nose down, adding a little bit of power. Oh, we lost some airspeed there. Keeping that nose down. Alright, a little bit of side slip there. Alright. And just straight down, hold it off, hold it off, hold it off. There you go.
That's the kind of skill I really want to learn. That is amazing.
Thank you.
I mean, that's just total control. That's...
It's always fun to have a really nice landing like that.
Well, you know, and here's the thing. It's
It still
The
puts a
landing,
smirk
I
on
don't
my
care if the
face.
landing was bumpy or not. It's just that you have control of the machine, and that's like I have control of my BMW as I'm driving down the road. I can take that thing down there, down 485 at 160 miles an hour. I'm not saying I've ever done that. I'm just saying, but I have control of the vehicle because I know it. I'm familiar with it, and
I'll teach you how to do that.
yeah, that's, and I think that a lot of that's going to be repetition, experience, time, getting some things to the point where I don't even think about it. But
I'm thinking about it.
Well, yeah. Well, I mean, but you're doing
You're gonna
things.
keep thinking about it.
You're doing a lot of things automatically, and that's, you see where I'm going here?
Right.
So,
right.
and you feel the wind, and you know exactly how to react to it, and that's
you know
one
like
of those
how
things.
much to react to it.
Right. That's based on your experience. So,
That's true.
there's a lot of things I'm sitting here and I'm watching. There's a lot of things you're doing without thinking. I mean, you're not even